We are so pleased with our new under cabinet lighting. Our old stuff was terrible, but this lighting by Torchstar, like I said, I'm so pleased with it. We're so proud of it. I'm proud that I could even put it on. I was a little worried that I wouldn't be good enough. We got 4 of the 12-inch strips, and we already had wiring from previous under cabinet lightings. So we just took that off, took the old ones off, and then added these new ones. And to be honest, wiring is always different in everybody's house. And what was so cool is there was 2 or 3 different ways that I could go about it. And so with just a little bit of common sense, it just fit right in. And I'm just so pleased. So some of the features that we like a lot are, number one, it swivels. So you can pull them forward and backwards, light it exactly how you want. Another option we really like is, and this is probably the favorite option, there's 3 color settings. So this is in the middle. This is probably like the 4,000 Kelvin number. It goes over here to 3,000. That's 4,000, and then 5,000. So you can find it kind of like that whitish blue. And then this is more of a natural light. And then there's that older, warmer light. So in the kitchen, the 4,000 is probably best for us. Other features, you can actually, like we did all the wiring using the wiring we already had, but you can actually also just plug it into the wall if you wanted to, which is pretty convenient. We didn't want the wall plug showing, but it is convenient to know that you can do that. We connected 2 of them right here. Literally, there's a little spacer right in there, and they just snap in. I mean, just as simple as can be, and it just continues the current throughout. So we're so pleased. It's like 600 lumens, so it's pretty bright, actually very bright. My next step is it's probably too bright at night for us. So I'm going to replace this switch with a dimmer switch, and these work with dimmers, and that's a pretty cool feature itself. So anyway, we are so happy with them. I mean, I'm just so pumped, and I did it, and I'm like a level 2 out of 10 on handyman scale. So anyway, if I can do it, you can probably do it. And these Torchstars are really good, really happy with them. So yay, we did it.